Hello friends, this is Finance MCQ channel and I am CMA Akula Sridhar. So friends, this channel is bringing you all the latest updates of government jobs in finance domain every week. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So let's begin and go through jobs pertaining to this week. So friends, first vacancy is from Bharat Dynamics Limited for the recruitment of 3 vacancies of management trainee finance at Hyderabad. Friends, the education qualification asked is either a CA or CMA or MBA or equivalent or PG diploma or PG degree in finance. Friends, the upper limit is 27 years and this is 28 years for those having CA or CMA degree. Friends, all these are permanent posts and even freshers are also eligible to apply and will get a package of 10.52 lakhs per annum. You'll have to apply online to BDL latest by 19th July 2021. So friends, before we move ahead, an important piece of information for those who applied for junior accountant or accounts officer at Rajasthan Rajya Vidyut Nigam Limited and its group of companies, or have applied for officer grade B at NPS Trust, please visit our website financemcq.in, where the entire technical syllabus, which consists of 60% of the total marks in case of Rajasthan Rajya Vidyut Nigam Limited and 50% marks in case of NPS Trust, is brought to you in MCQ format for practice. Friends, here explanation is also added for correct answers wherever required for conceptual clarity. And friends, not only this, there's an email support for clarification of doubts raised by candidates while practicing these contents. And friends, let me tell you, the entire content of financemcq.in is prepared by professionals such as chartered accountant and cost and management accountant, which gives this course a professional edge and in-depth coverage of the entire technical syllabus. So friends, if you log in and take a demo, you will realize that the entire system of financemcq.in is designed in such a way so as to give the candidates a real exam-like environment. So do visit financemcq.in and practice for your technical syllabus well. All the best, friends. Next vacancy is from CPET, that is Central Institute of Petrochemicals Engineering and Technology. Friends, here the recruitment is for 1 vacancy of Chief Manager Finance and Accounts at Chennai. Friends, the education qualification asked is a first class BCom with first class MBA finance or a first class MCom or a chartered accountant or a cost and management accountant. Friends, the upper limit is 50 years. This is a permanent post and you need to have 15 years of experience to apply for this vacancy. And if you are a chartered accountant or a cost and management accountant, even 12 years of experience is sufficient to apply here. Friends, the package would be 15 lakhs per annum. You'll have to apply offline to CPET latest by 30th July 2021. Friends, next vacancy is from Broadcast Engineering Consultants India Limited, a mini Ratna company under Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. Friends, here the recruitment is for 1 vacancy of Deputy Manager Accounts and Finance at New Delhi. Friends, the education qualification and experience asked is either a CA or CMA with 7 years of experience or minimum 5 years of experience in the grade of Assistant Manager Accounts. Friends, the upper limit is 60 years. It's a contractual post and you'll get a consultant amount of 80,000 per month. And you'll have to apply online latest by 30th July 2021. Friends, next vacancy is from GAIL India Limited for the recruitment of 4 vacancies of Manager Marketing Commodity Risk Management. And friends, the education qualification asked is an associate member of the Institute of Chartered Accountant of India or an associate member of the Institute of Cost Accountant of India or a BCom degree holder with 60% marks and MBA Finance with 65% marks, or a candidate having a degree in BA with specialization in economics or maths or statistics, or a BSc degree holder with specialization in maths or statistics with 60% marks along with an MBA Finance with 65% marks is eligible to apply. Friends, the preliminary is 34 years. These are permanent posts and here you need to have 4 years of experience to apply for this vacancy, and your per month pay scale would range between the basic of 70,000 to 2 lakh per month. Friends, you will have to apply online latest by 5th August 2021. Friends, next vacancy again from the same organization. Here the recruitment is for 5 vacancies of Senior Officer Finance and Accounts. Friends, education qualification is entirely same what is shown in the previous slide, and here the upper age limit is 28 years. Friends, these are again permanent posts and here even 1 year experience holder can also apply. Friends, here your per month pay scale would range between the basic of 60,000 to 1,80,000 per month. Friends, here again you will have to apply online latest by 5th August 2021. Friends, next vacancy again from the same organization, that is GAIL India Limited for the recruitment of 4 vacancies of Senior Officer Law. Friends, the education qualification asked is graduation degree and LLB both with 60% marks or a 5 years integrated LLB degree with 60% marks. Friends, the upper limit is 28 years. These are again permanent posts and here again you need to have 1 year of experience. Friends, your per month pay scale would range between the basic of 60,000 to 1,80,000 per month and you have to apply online latest by 5th August 2021. Friends, next vacancy is from IIM Kashipur for the recruitment of one post of internal audit officer. Friends, here the education qualification and experience asked is a CA or CMA having adequate experience of internal audit in educational industry. Friends, the upper limit is 62 years. It's a contractual post and will get a consultant amount between 50,000 to 60,000 every month. Friends, you'll have to apply online latest by 2nd August 2021. Friends, next vacancy is from State Bank of India for the recruitment of 6,100 vacancies of apprentices. Friends, the education qualification asked is a graduation. Friends, the upper limit is 28 years. These are posts on stipendary basis and you don't need to have an experience to apply for this vacancy. And you will get a consultant amount of rupees 15,000 per month. Friends, you will have to apply online latest by 26 July 2021. Friends, for all the vacancies shown in this video, the link is given in the description box below. So those who are interested can directly click there and apply for their vacancies. Moving on, next vacancy is from HLL Life Care Limited, a mini Ratna company under Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India. Friends, here the recruitment is for 2 posts of accounts assistant at Belgaum. Friends, the education qualification asked is a BCom and the upper limit is 40 years. Friends, this is again a contractual post and you need to have 3 years of experience to apply for this vacancy. Friends, you will get a consultant pay here in the range of rupees 10,000 to rupees 20,000 per month and you will get other benefits like leave, extra as applicable. Friends, here you will have to apply offline latest by 27 July 2021. Friends, next vacancy is from Income Tax Department under Sports Quota. Friends, here the recruitment is for 8 vacancies of Inspector of Income Tax and 83 vacancies of Tax Assistant at Mumbai. Friends, the education qualification asked is a bachelor's degree for Inspector of Income Tax vacancy, and in respect of Tax Assistant you should be holding a bachelor's degree along with a data entry speed of 8,000 key depressions per hour. Friends, the upper limit for Inspector of Income Tax is 30 years while for Tax Assistant it is 27 years. Friends, these are permanent posts and you should be a meritorious sports person to apply for these vacancies. Friends, the package would be 8.5 lakhs in case of Inspector of Income Tax and 9 lakhs for Tax Assistant. Friends, here you will have to apply online latest by 25th August 2021. Friends, next vacancy is from Karnataka State Financial Corporation for the recruitment of 5 vacancy of Deputy Manager Legal. Friends, here these vacancies are reserved for Kalyana Karnataka region only. Friends, the education qualification asked is graduation in law with minimum 60% marks. Friends, the upper limit is 35 years. These are permanent posts and you need to have 2 years of experience to apply for this vacancy. And your per month pay scale would range between the basic of 52,650 to 97,100 per month. Friends, you'll have to apply offline here latest by 26 July 2021. Friends, next vacancy is from Sri Chitra Tirunal Institute for Medical Sciences and Technology, Trivandrum, which is an institute of national importance under Department of Science and Technology, Government of India. Friends, here the recruitment is for 30 vacancy of General Apprentice at Thiruvananthapuram. Friends, the education qualification asked is a degree while the upper age limit is 35 years. Friends, this is a post on stipendary basis and you don't need to have an experience to apply for this vacancy and you will get a consultant amount of rupees 9,000 every month. Friends, here you will have to attend a written test at the venue of the institute on 23rd July 2021. Moving on, friends, next vacancy is from Central Ammunition Depot, Pulgaon, which is under Indian Army. Friends, here the recruitment is for 8 posts of Junior Office Assistant, that is LDC. Friends, here the education qualification asked is 12th class or equivalent. Friends, the upper limit is 25 years. These are permanent posts and even freshers are also eligible to apply. Friends, you will get a package of rupees 4 lakhs per annum here and you will have to apply offline to the Central Ammunition Depot latest by 24 July 2021. Friends, next vacancy is from Headquarters to Signal Training Center, Panji, which is again under Indian Army. Here the recruitment is for 17 vacancies of LDC at Goa. Friends, the education qualification asked is 12 pass or equivalent with typing speed of English at 35 words per minute or Hindi at 30 words per minute. Friends, the upper limit is 25 years. These are permanent posts and even freshers are also eligible to apply. Friends, here you will get a package of 4 lakhs per annum and to apply here, you will have to apply offline latest by 24th July 2021. That's all for this week, friends. I hope the video was useful. See you all next week with some more updates. Till then, thank you very much for watching. Take care and goodbye.